Hi everybody, look how huge these Ferrochers are. I'm going to be opening one of them just to show you guys how it looks. So let's put one of them on the side. Let's open up this. So let's open up this part. Oh, okay, and open up this. Wow, look! This is just like an LOL ball. Wow, look at this golden ball. Oh, this looks like a heart. Let's open this up. There's tape on it. Take this tape off. Ah, sticking to my hand. Do you think this looks like an LOL surprise ball? Because I do. Comment down below if you think you do. Let's open this up. Oh my god, is this a big Ferrocher? That is big. Okay, how do you break this? This is humongous. I'm gonna try and break it. Whoa, look at that. Oh, it has two little Ferrochers inside. Let's put this on the side so we can eat one later. Wow, I just broke it. Let's try a piece. Mmm. This is really yummy. Okay, let's open one of these up and let's try one. Look guys, this is a miniature one of this grand one. The same packaging, the same gold wrapping. Wow, let's open this up. Okay. There's a break, so it looks like I'm gonna have to eat it. Mmm, that's good. Look guys, this one has a wafer on it and chocolate inside. Let's put this here. Okay guys, I think you should all go and buy one of these Ferrochers. And that would be the end of my video. And I hope I will all see you soon in my next video. Bye!